this is a multi-generation house. So it's a house for 2 different generations, and basically to prep for the younger generation.
In minimalist white, a huge compound stands bordered by vertical lines of wooden slates. At closer look, it is in fact 2 separate semi-detached units with adjoining courtyards. The wall between them taken down and the courtyards connected with a composition of wooden strips. Hidden within is a fascinating space designed to connect 2 families with a meaningful space. My name is Alex Lee and I am from Design Seeds. In this episode, we will be featuring a unique cross-generation family home hidden in the southern region of Malaysia at Johor Bahru. Before we begin, if you're not subscribed to us yet, click on the subscribe button and support us in our pursuit of intriguing design and architecture stories. Today, we showcase a 3,200 square feet property designed around connecting courtyard with its very own garden view. This artistic masterpiece is designed by SLab 10, a design practice based in Sydney, Malaysia, Singapore, and Taiwan. This is a story of 2 houses and 2 families, and it begins with a connecting courtyard.
Hi, my name is Jason Sim. I'm from SLab 10. So basically, this house is planned for the parents and also a younger couple. Originally, it used to be a courtyard, and then there is a communal cooking area between the 2 houses. And the outcome, I think the success of the house is having a centralized space where everyone can come and gather together. So I kept everything free. So a courtyard being just a communal dining space, because this is where the 2 families can come together.
Upon entering the home, you are greeted by a long hallway that ends in a cozy pantry that seems like a hidden bar. On the left, the living room, and on the right, an alluring glass door that immediately catches one's attention. Beyond the glass door, natural light streams into the dining space from above and from the wooden vertical screens. By breaking down the walls between the 2 houses, SLab 10 has opened up a remarkable space here. Timber strips from ceiling to wall and to the flooring, visually tying the entire space together. Encased in the warmth of dark wood, this space exudes a cozy and rustic feel. On the ceiling, a round light orbs softly, breaking up the straight lines with their curves. The lines of the flooring and the rattan chairs are contrasted with the differing textures of the custom-sized terrazzo table.
When you look at the courtyard, the vertical fins that faces the road, they are purposely made thicker so that it gives a lot more privacy. Actually obscure people from looking in directly. We have got low E glass as a cover for the courtyard. With the low E glass, we have introduced another layer of timber slats, smaller profile.
In this thoughtful courtyard space, SLab 10 has demonstrated the right balance between functionality and beauty from every aspect. Due to their densely populated layout, most terrace houses are confined to the restricted views of their neighboring houses or the unsightly view of the back alleys. But here, SLab 10 has created their own view with a picturesque pocket garden housing a growing tree. A skylight above bathes the courtyard in natural light, creating relaxing scenery between both homes to enjoy. With a garden view, the dining area is a minimalist space composed of circles and curves. From its round terrazzo table to striking black cupboard to its sleek light fixtures. Adding movement and balance to spaces, the soft organic shapes enhance the calming effect of nature. This is certainly a stylish space for family dinners and experience that sticks.
The bar area is more of breakfast because with the courtyard dining, basically they will want to be having their breakfast in the courtyard or otherwise in the dining space. So that bar area end up to be more like a drinking chill area for them to enjoy their alcohol, their wine.
The modern bar area features a marble countertop with curved corners. Mirroring the curves, the recessed ceiling light above brings cohesion to the space. Mirrors lining the wall add a spacious impression to the space, diminishing the narrowing effect of a long hallway. Cabinetry features a natural timber palette with sleek black accents. The clutter of daily living are hidden behind sleek wooden panels. Focusing on natural textures and materials, the minimalist interior design creates a calm and modern atmosphere in line with the wabi-sabi concept. The row of seamless wooden panels conceal two hidden doors. One leads to the guest room, decorated in different wooden textures in wabi-sabi minimalist style with black accents. The other leads to a small shared bathroom. A curated display of different textures adorn the living room. The walls are divided diagonally into two contrasting textures. The upper half displays a natural wooden grain, visually warm and calming, whereas the lower half spots vertical wooden slate panels, creating a sense of height and dimension. Visually contrasting these are the horizontal lines of the wooden blinds, adding a sleek finish with their organic curves and textures. Playing with a palette of forms, textures and materials creates a visually refreshing aesthetic for the living room. Next to the living room, the staircase to the first floor is lined with light-colored terrazzo tiles. Its hallways are lined with mirrors, visually enlarging the space. Exuding playfulness, the mirrors reflect light into the space.
Mirror, a very versatile interior material. If you apply it correctly, it really be able to help with drawing in a lot of natural light as well as reflecting your surrounding. And it can be very surreal experience when you move through a space.
The stairs lead to a foyer decorated in muted soft tones complemented by the wooden blinds in Japanese style. The richer color and form of the Japanese design elements make the furniture feel inviting despite being minimal. The master bedroom features a bold design combination of wood on wood, yet still creating balance and harmony. With different textures from its herringbone floors to its textured wall, the room radiates the simplicity of Japandi. In defining black borders and curving corners, the custom headboard stands out from its wooden slate background. Details are highlighted with strip lightings throwing a soft halo on its curves, bringing a softness to the space.
I kept all my perimeter of joinery as clean as possible, but then at certain area there will be element of surprise like the wardrobe space. That's very much crafted, as in, you see the layering of the joinery works.
The ensuite bathroom greets us with unexpected dotted terrazzo in the walls and flooring, adding elegance and vibrancy. Creating visual contrast to the terrazzo are the gold and black accents. An organic shaped mirror backlit by LED brings colorful playfulness to a minimalist bathroom, making it seem bigger than it actually is.
So as you move along the whole house, you realize there is a straight timber panel that forms the perimeter of the whole house. So that is one primary element when it comes to the interior architecture design.
The study is painted in the home's consistent visual language for bedrooms, in wooden herringbone floors and wooden blinds. The furniture is minimalist, yet stylish with black essence. A glowing fluted wall panel designed in a circle is featured in the study. Its lines distinct within a room of smooth wooden textures, creating a pleasing visual.
If you look at the first floor, with that small area, with having 3 doors and big door jamb, to me aesthetically, it's a little bit out of proportion. So we intentionally asked the carpenter to actually string the door jamb to 10 by 10 mm. So it's more of a carpentry work door jamb that we have created rather than the typical solid timber door frame that you normally see in the house. Our design, you can see the application of terrazzo and also juxtaposition with natural timber material. Basically, we want to make the terrazzo more like a loose item than a fixed feature that typically people will apply to the wall or the floor. Yes, we have terrazzo on the steps, but then at the same time we have the consistency of this material applied to loose items, such as the dining table, such as the communal courtyard dining table as well, to bring in natural light. Basically, we have tested with the option of blinds and curtains. Blinds suits us better because it's a house that hasn't got a lot of natural light. You're able to manipulate with the blinds, different angle to bring in natural light. And also, privacy-wise, for blinds, it's a lot more easier for you to manipulate with.
In crafting a multi-generational home, Aslab 10 has envisioned a minimalist ambience, creating sceneries of nature in unexpected ways. This home shows us how we can effectively bridge the gap between tradition and modernity, between functionality and beauty, and between two generations of families. If you enjoyed this episode and you want to learn more about interior design and architecture, please support us and click on that subscribe button and stay in the loop of more compelling design episodes. My name is Alex Lee and I am from Design Seat. I'll see you guys next week and thank you for watching.